To quote what the Prime Minister is heard speaking at Tura. This is the English translation. Meghalaya has received good allocation in budget. But today, when I hear people's conversation here, I feel very sad. People say that no money was spent. Neither roads were built, nor schools, colleges, nor hospitals were built. Then where did the money go? The youth here are saying, employment opportunities have been closed. Where recruitment is made, there is corruption and there is nepotism. To quote what the Union Home Minister is heard speaking at Tura, this is the translation. The way that corruption is taking place in Meghalaya, such a scale is not seen anywhere else in entire India. In entire India. For the most corrupt state in the country, if a number had to be given, then with great regret, I have to say that Meghalaya gets that ranking because of this government here of no good. Further, during the visit of the Union Home Minister to Dalu, he is heard saying, "You must be going to Assam, and you know what development is happening. Modi ji releases funds not only to Assam, but for state of Meghalaya as well. But in between, Meghalaya government comes in. What funds Modi ji releases that is intended to reach you, such as a road. This is what sngi has blocked. The development project released by Modi ji don't reach you at all." During his visit to Rangsakuna, the Union Home Minister is heard saying, "I want to ask you, has drinking water reached your household? Has it reached? Modi ji, for this purpose, has released 24,000 crore rupees. But drinking water has not reached your household. Where has this money gone? Tell me, where has it gone? This money has been sacrificed to corruption." This statement was not made by me, Mr. Adelbert Nongrum. This statement made by Honorable Union Home Minister. For